Hey everyone! Today I'm fixing something that annoys millions of Excel users. Excel keeps changing your numbers into dates automatically. Excel thinks it's helping by converting these into dates. But if these are product IDs, catalog ID, fraction or batch numbers, Excel is literally ruining your data. The most reliable way to stop Excel from changing your numbers into dates is to format your cells as text before typing anything. This tells Excel, don't interpret, don't convert, just keep whatever I type exactly as it is. Now, if I retype the earlier examples, because the cells are formatted as text, Excel won't convert anything. If you don't want to format a whole column as text, and you just want to fix one or two entries, here's the fastest trick. You can force Excel to treat your input as text by adding either an apostrophe or a space before the value. The apostrophe tells Excel, this is text, don't convert it. The best part, the apostrophe doesn't show in the cell. It only appears in the formula bar. And you can also use a single space before your value. Just press the spacebar once and then type your value. Excel sees that leading space and treats the whole thing as text, so it won't auto-convert it into a date. The space doesn't show when you print, and most people never notice it. These three methods will save you from tons of frustration, especially if you work with product codes, catalog numbers, batch IDs, or anything that looks like a date but isn't. If you found it useful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. If you have any questions or suggestions for topics you want me to cover, please drop a comment below. I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.